Hello, beautiful souls. Let's talk about something powerful, something that can truly shift your life. The simple but profound act of writing things down. Yes, it's that easy. And yes, it works. If you want the universe to bring you what you desire, there's a simple technique you can use. It's not about waiting for things to fall into your lap. It's about being clear, focused, and intentional with what you want. Let me explain. Every day you have the opportunity to shape your reality. You're always sending out thoughts into the universe, whether you're aware of it or not. But when you take the time to write down your desires, it does something magical. It helps you focus. It sends out a clear message to the universe that you're ready to receive. This isn't just about wishful thinking. It's about putting your intentions into action. Writing things down has an incredible power. It transforms your thoughts into something tangible. It makes what was once in your head real. And when you write it down, especially 5 times a day, you're reinforcing that desire. You're training your mind to believe that what you want is already on its way to you. It's about trusting in your own power and the power of the universe. Now, you might be wondering, how does this work exactly? How can something so simple bring about such a change? Well, let me tell you, the universe is always listening. It's always responding to your energy. When you write your desires down, you're sending out a frequency. The more you write, the stronger that frequency becomes. You begin to align with your desires on a deeper level. Your thoughts become your reality because you're reinforcing them with each stroke of the pen. But there's something else that happens when you write down your desires. You start to believe that they are already yours. It's not about hoping for something to come into your life. It's about knowing deep in your soul that it's already happening. You're putting yourself in the energy of having rather than wanting. And that shift in energy is everything. Imagine this for a moment. What would your life look like if you truly believed that everything you want is already on its way to you? What if you were completely aligned with the idea that the universe is constantly working in your favor? When you write things down 5 times a day, you're shifting your mindset to this exact belief. You're telling the universe, I am ready. I trust in your timing and your plan for me. But let's talk about the act of writing itself for a moment. It doesn't matter how you do it, whether you use a pen and paper or type it out on your phone. What matters is the intention behind it. The act of writing helps you slow down and really think about what you want. It brings clarity, and clarity is powerful. The more clearly you can see your desires, the easier it is to receive them. Now, here's the thing about writing 5 times a day. It may seem like a lot, but the power is in the repetition. Repetition helps to reinforce what you want in your mind and soul. It's like planting seeds in the garden of your mind. You water those seeds every day with your thoughts and intentions, and over time they grow into the beautiful reality you've been visualizing. It's important to be consistent, and I get it. Sometimes life gets busy and it can be easy to forget. But think about this. Each time you write, you're taking a step closer to your dreams. Each word is a step toward creating the life you want. The universe responds to consistency. When you make it a habit to write down your desires daily, you're showing the universe that you're serious about what you want. So how do you do it? How do you write down your desires in a way that truly aligns with the energy of the universe? It's simple. Start by writing what you want as if you already have it. Write in the present tense. Instead of saying, I want to be wealthy, say, I am wealthy. Instead of saying, I want to be in a loving relationship, say, I am surrounded by love and support. The more you write in the present tense, the more your subconscious mind believes that it's already true. And when you're writing, feel the emotions that come with it. Don't just go through the motions. Let yourself feel the excitement, the joy, the gratitude. Write with emotion. Write as though it's already happening. That's the magic. That's the key to bringing your desires into your reality. Let me remind you, this process isn't about the how or the when. It's about trust. It's about believing that the universe is working behind the scenes to bring everything you need right to you. When you write your desires down, you're sending a clear signal that you are open to receiving, and the universe loves that. It loves when you are open and receptive. You don't need to worry about the details. You don't need to know exactly how everything will unfold. Just write and let go. Let the universe do its part. Trust that what you desire is already on its way. Your job is simply to stay aligned with that belief and take inspired action when the time comes. Let me remind you of something important. You are worthy of everything you desire. The universe is abundant and there is more than enough for you. Your desires are valid and they are meant for you. Writing them down is a way to honor yourself, to acknowledge your worth, and to claim what's already on its way to you. So as you write, feel that worthiness, feel that sense of deservingness. I know it might be easy to doubt at times, to wonder if this simple technique will really work, but I promise you it will. The universe responds to your energy. And when you shift your energy by writing down your desires and believing in them, you create a powerful force that cannot be ignored. I encourage you to give this a try. Start small if you need to. Write 5 things a day and see what happens. Be consistent and watch how the universe responds. Be patient and allow things to unfold in their perfect timing. The universe has a way of working things out in the best possible way, even when you can't see it yet. Trust that it's happening for you. And keep writing. And if you ever start to doubt, come back to this. Come back to the feeling you get when you write down your desires. Consistency is key in this process. It's like any habit that takes time to form. The more you write, the more your mind and soul become attuned to the idea that your desires are already on their way to you. The simple act of writing strengthens your belief in your ability to manifest. It helps you stay grounded in the present moment while keeping your focus on what's to come. This is a practice that only deepens with time, bringing you closer to the realization that everything you want is already in motion. Let's talk about why this works. Why does writing down your desires 5 times a day have such a profound effect? It's because your subconscious mind is incredibly powerful. The more you repeat something, the more it becomes embedded in your mind. And the more it becomes embedded in your mind, the more it influences your reality. You might find yourself thinking differently, making choices that align with your desires, and seeing opportunities that were once hidden. The act of writing is a way of training your mind to accept and expect your desires as part of your reality. What you focus on expands. If you spend time every day focusing on what you want instead of what you don't want, you are shifting your attention toward positive possibilities. When you start to write, you are not only aligning your energy with your desires, but also inviting the universe to bring those desires into physical form. Note that you are in alignment with the energy of your dreams. Note that you are a powerful creator, capable of manifesting anything you desire. Writing it down 5 times a day is just the beginning. It's a simple tool, but it's incredibly effective. So go ahead, start writing, start aligning your thoughts, your feelings, and your energy with the universe. Trust that your desires are already on their way, and the universe is always working in your favor. It's just waiting for you to believe it. As you write, feel the power within you. Feel the excitement of knowing that your desires are already on their way. Feel the gratitude for what you already have and for what is coming next. Let your heart open to the abundance that is available to you and know that you are worthy of it all. Keep writing, keep trusting, keep believing, and watch as the universe brings your desires to you in the most beautiful and unexpected ways.